We've made it easier than ever to manage admin roles within Rapid Auditor. In today's session, we're going to learn how to use the Administrator Roles features. From adding a new role, editing an existing role, to deactivating a role. Navigation. To start, let's look at the key features within the Admin Home dashboard. I'm going to explain what the different icons relate to. If you can firstly navigate to your Settings tab, Location and Admin, you will see here the Admin Home and Location feature. On this page is where we manage our administrators and their access, and we can add or edit locations within the system. On the left-hand side, we can search by the admin name, select the location, and the active status. On the right-hand side, you will see two icons, Admin Home and Role. Adding a new admin role. Firstly, let's see how easy it is to add a new role. Simply navigate to the role icon on the right-hand side. Now, if we select Add New Role and then type in the role name. For this training session, I'm going to call the role View Only Admin. This will then allow us to set the permissions required for this role. Don't forget to click Save. Now we can see that we have a role for View Only Admin available for use. Next, I will click on the Settings icon next to the role I have created. This will show me all the permissions to tick. I will now go through and tick in the Enable column all the menu features that I want this admin role to have. Don't forget to click Save. Edit an admin role. Let's say we need to edit an existing role. Can you see on the right-hand side, we have some icons. There's Edit Permissions, Edit Role, Add Administrators, and Log. Clicking on Edit Permissions will allow you to modify the permissions that were already set for this particular role. Deactivate an admin role. Perhaps you might need to deactivate an admin role. If you look at the icons on the right-hand side, you can choose Edit Role. That's how easy it is to simply change the active role to deactivated. Click to subscribe to our channel and visit Rapid Support Centre for more helpful tutorials and guides.